Hello everybody, this is your girl, Her Destiny, and as you can see, I am out here recording these birds. They are very tall, don't know what kind of birds they are. It's very windy today, so I hope that this video will not be too noisy. For those of you watching, do not forget to like, to subscribe, and to comment. That would be gladly appreciated. I saw these beautiful tall birds. I'm not sure the name of these birds, but they're out here having breakfast, so I decided to get a little bit, or to capture them before they flew off. I often try to capture birds, but sometimes they run away. But these birds they're hungry, they're bold, and they're not afraid. Yes, they're out here pecking the grass, filling up their bellies. I mean, we've all got to eat. Looks like the sun is going to come out just a little bit. Yes, they are pecking away, and usually I just see one of these birds at a time. So they're hanging out together. You know, birds of a feather flock together. Yes, they do. They must have been friends for a pretty long time. Those are some very long beaks, I tell you that. You don't want to piss them off. They'll just peck you to death. Remember that movie, The Birds? Well, it looks like they're going to be leaving. Oh, there they go. They're coming back. And they are not playing around. Well, there you have it, guys. The birds are filling their bellies, and now I think they're going to move on to someone else's yard. But it was a pleasure recording them, and I'm so grateful that they stayed around long enough for me to get a decent video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, this is your girl, Her Destiny. Thank you so much. Have a great day.